We're ready to create our estimation sample, and we're in the right place to do it. The Review Workflows Scope and Samples page. We'll click the Create Sample button on the Scope and Samples toolbar. In the Create Sample window, we'll change Simple to Advanced and input the sample settings decided upon by the project team. For this project, we're using an estimation interval of 2%. And we'll keep the 95% confidence threshold setting. Estimation samples are typically two-sided samples, so we'll also keep the two-sided setting. The document count that will be returned by the sample is automatically updated based on our setting changes. To batch the sample for review, we'll keep the first pass review state as this is the first time documents are being batched in this project. And we'll select the sample batching template. The sample settings are configured. We're ready to click the Create button, which will generate the sample and then automatically generate review batches based off of our selected batching template settings. The sample is tracked on the Review Workflows page for our universe in the Scope and Samples area. Now that the sample has been generated, let's designate it as the default sample for the universe. With the Samples folder expanded, we'll use the Actions menu to select Set as Default, and then click Confirm. This step allows progress metrics to be displayed on the Review Workflows page and Predictive Coding dashboards. Metrics we'll look at as review progresses. Notice our sample has been moved to the top of the page. The type icon indicates this is our default sample. The Review Summary panel on the right will display metrics once the team begins coding documents. Let's verify the review batches for the sample are ready. We'll navigate to the Analysis page using the Pages menu and expand the Work Product Smart Filter group to select the Batch Smart Filter. Here we see listed all of the review batches generated from the sample. If other documents had been batched before the sample, we could use the type ahead to filter to the sample batches by name. If you have Case Manager user rights, you may prefer to view the review batches on the Assignments page using the Pages menu. It's time to email the project team and get them reviewing. Once the sample is reviewed, the results give you an estimate of how much responsive data is in your review universe. If the sample is coded for issues, you can also estimate their prevalence. The estimation is simple math. First, find the percent confirmed for your sample. This will be easy to do from the samples line on the Review Workflow grid. Now multiply that percentage by the number of documents in the review universe. This is an estimate for how many responsive documents are in your universe. The same calculation can be used for issues. As you continue review, this percent confirm rate can be used as a baseline of comparison. We expect to prioritize review through predictive coding iterations or analytics to give a higher confirm rate than the baseline.